Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this PS5 bundle. It's the God of War Ragnarok bundle. So, been lagging for actually almost 2 years in opening this up, but this time to unleash our inner child and start gaming again. So here's what the package looks like. PS5, I know they announced the PS5 Pro. Let's get this out of the box. Not gonna set this down. Set the box down and then bring. So this, I just pulled this out from inside that box. I think this is the way to do it. Oh, there's some instructions here actually. Yeah, some instructions here. Pull this out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we just did 1. We'll do 2, 3. Let me. Kind of challenging. My video recording desk is kind of crowded. So let me see. Well. Okay, let me show you all. This is what it looks like here. I'm gonna pull this out. Oh, okay, I see. Cool. Show you all the accessories first. PlayStation 5, pamphlets. Probably nothing truly special there. And here. Is this a stand? It looks like a stand. To be honest, don't know what that is, but I think it's a stand. Got nice included HDMI cable. Very cool. Got the power cable here for US power cable. Small profile power cable, very nice. What we got here? Ooh, included controller. Yep. So in here, we got a USB connector here. 2 USB-C, it looks like, yep. For the controller. Wow. Very nice. Cool. Set all this aside and pull out the actual console now. Alright, before that, God of War, Ragnarok. Oh, pin. Oh, use a code bow to access the game. Cool. Scratch here for pin. Alright. Now it's the console. Oops, sorry guys. Now it's the console in there. Alright, let me pull this out. Don't want to mess this up. Let me slide it out. Sorry. Not enough space here. Hitting the tripod. Alright, pull this out. Slippery. I want to make sure I don't pull it off out over my desk. Alright. There we go. Sorry you keep hitting the tripod. It's out. Boom. have cardboard protection on the sides. Cool. Let's go. All right. Unraveling it. Wow. PlayStation 5. Very cool. Fans. Very cool. Yeah, that's it. Finally unboxed this guy. Gonna get it set up, and I'll have unboxings for like games, controllers, all that good stuff coming up soon. Cool. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get a PS5 from. And hope you're all doing well. Take care. Let me know what games I should get for this guy. All right, everyone. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.